What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and we have some used keys that we picked up here. And since they are cut for other vehicles, what we need to do is swap out these the actual key portion of it, the actual key. So I did pick up these aftermarket keys here. We'll hang on to these cases as I'm not necessarily thrilled with the case itself, but we will be stealing these keys out of here. So first thing we're going to do is take this little screw out right there. Okay, once we've got that screw out, we can then proceed to take the key apart. I'm going to start at the bottom here. Just kind of pry it out right there. Okay, so that definitely came off there. Okay, so this next piece here, I believe this piece will just pop off. Okay. So with that off, now we can see this whole key mechanism right here. We're going to go ahead and remove this screw here first. Okay, let's try this next screw here. Right there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the OEM key. So on the OEM key, once you get all three screws out, you swivel it, and then you're able to take it off. So on this guy, this last screw is not coming out here. Okay, so now that I got all three screws out on this, I'm going to go ahead and swivel that right out of there. And there we have it. It's all taken apart. So there's a spring mechanism inside here that obviously gives it the ability to pop in and out, but what we really need is just this. So in essence, what we have to do now is take this off, take this little guy, same profile, just some minor differences. Okay, well, since this is dirty, we're going to need to get this cleaned up, so I'm going to go ahead and wash these up and get everything ready for installation. Alright, so we've got the stock key all cleaned up. We've got the part that we want to use for the actual key. So now let's go ahead and start the reassembly process. Okay, so with this set, we're going to put our key here in this position upright. We're going to go ahead and get the spring set in place right here. I'm going to push the spring through this little hole right here. Then we're going to wind it up, get it in that position. Everything sits nice and flush. So with that in position, if we push down on this, close the key, push, it should flip up. So pretty straightforward. So let's go over that again. Okay, once you get this key, everything in place here, and you can see that there's a little indentation right there, so you're going to put this where it notches right in place. So then you get this push button in place. Then we take our key, we set it there. The spring, you're going to put it here in this little hole. And then for here, there's a little opening right there. So what you do is you slide it through that opening, right? You can see it come out right there. And then you twist it, which is what gives it tension. And then you're actually ready to lock in your screws. Silver screw or shorter screw goes in at the first hole. And then our bigger screws, which are the same length, they will go into the 2 remaining holes. Okay, so there you have it. Now your key is ready to be brought to the dealer to get cut. So all we have to do to reassemble the remainder of this is put this piece back in here. Get this top section, clip it into place, take your bottom piece, insert it this way, and then snap it into place. Okay, and then the last piece is to take your screw here and tighten in the bottom section. Okay, there you have it. Alright, and once everything is back and assembled, there you have it. Your key is ready to be cut so that you can program it to your vehicle. So, if you have another key, you know, if you get a used key, this is a pretty straightforward process that you can use to swap out and get the... You can also buy this by itself, but at the price point, I went ahead and got these... got the cases just as backup in case I did need them. The price point was fairly close. Alright guys, that's it for this video. You can see the process is not too difficult. You can handle this at home yourself. No need to go to a dealer to have them redo this for you. You can actually get this set. Next step is to go and get this cut. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.